In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set a trailing stop on Binance futures in 2023. If you have any questions at the end of this video, just click the first link in the video description, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. You can also comment down below the questions that you have, or if you want me to create a video about how to make money online with your smartphone using the Binance app. Currently, I'm one of the top affiliates for Binance in Africa. So if you want to know how I did it using my smartphone, then just join the Telegram group by clicking the first link in the video description. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set a trailing stop so that you can capture the profit that you are earning from your trade. Sometimes when you are in a trade and you are in profit, you'll be busy, and the time that you come back, it will be closing stop loss, like it will hit your stop loss. But if you have a trailing stop, it will be able to help you take your profit in certain percentage as the trades go in your favor. So basically what I want to do is I want to set a trailing stop for this particular trade. I went long on APT USDT. So let's say you have a TP and you have a stop loss. With a trailing stop, it will help you capture profit that are coming in from your trade. So what we need to do is we first have to select the cryptocurrency that we want to trade. Once you select it, let's say if you are going to buy the cryptocurrency, then just buy it before you set your trailing stop loss. You can only set trailing stop loss for open orders and those orders who are already in position. So like you have seen APT USDT right now, I can set a trailing stop for it, or I can set a trailing stop for these limit orders that I've set, the EOS USDT. But in this video, I'm going to set a trailing stop for this particular trade so that we'll lock our profit for 2%. So right now, let's click here, market execution. So the first thing to do when you want to start making money with a particular cryptocurrency pair is let's select a pair that we want to trade with. I'll just look for EOS USDT. So let's select EOS USDT right now. Now we are going to edit our cost. The things that you should be looking at is the leverage. Always make sure that the leverage for the entry is the same. So right now it's 20x leverage. Okay, then we have the price to the entry price, how much you are willing to invest. Okay, so now let's say I'm going to invest $4. So 4 point, so just copy these numbers, the 83.57. so you copy these numbers. Now we are going to execute using market execution EOS USDT right now. So let's go for buy. So I go for buy here. So now I just went for buy EOS USDT. So let's set our trailing stop for EOS USDT right now. So what we need to do is we need to change here the market. We need to change it to trailing stop. Okay, so when we change it to trailing stop, we have the C/B rate. Is called the callback rate. So the callback rate means the percentage you are willing to take your profit if it is in your side. So basically what I usually do is I put it on 5% or 2% depending on your risk reward ratio. Okay, depending on your risk reward ratio. So what I need to do now is I'll just leave the activation price empty. The activation price is the price that you are willing to enter the market. So just leave it empty. If you leave it empty, they are going to enter it at a market execution order. So the amount to invest is going to be the one that you use as your cost when you were buying the cryptocurrency at the first time. So for you to use a trailing stop loss on a buy order, you need to change it to sell. You need to change it to sell. Okay, if you are going to do a trailing stop loss for, let's say, a long order, you are using sell. If you are going to do a trailing stop loss for a short order or a sell order on a particular cryptocurrency pair, you are going to use the buy order. Okay, so let's say I short EOS USDT, I would have selected a buy trailing stop, but because I went for a buy position, I'll select the sell here. Now the callback rate, that one is very important for me. I usually make it 5% or 2%, so let's make it 2% for now. Now let's paste our price, how much we bought it the first time. So we are going to enter it here, the same as the ones that we did. Okay, now the next thing that you want to do is, you remember the leverage was 20x, this number 20x, so just leave it that way. Then you go for sell. Okay, so we just went for sell, so we have executed a trailing stop. So now we have APT EOS USDT, you can see trailing stop 1.045, that's the activation price. So if this price hit there, let's say we are currently in position, you can see it for 1.046. so if this price moves more than it, we'll be earning money and Binance will be locking our profit for us. The trailing stop will be locking our profit. But me, what I usually think is, it's better to even put a stop loss and take profit if you are sure of where the trade is going. But if you are not sure and you think the market can move sideways, just enter a trailing stop. If you don't understand what I've just taught you in this video, you can click the first link, join the Telegram group and text me, or you can just comment down below the part of the video that you have not understand. I'm saying that if you are going to use trailing stop for a particular cryptocurrency pair, when you go buy at the first time, you need to short it using the trailing stop, and also make sure that the price that your cost is the same as the leverage for the first one that you did. So if I'm going to sell a particular cryptocurrency pair, it's still going to be the same thing. Okay, if I'm going to sell EOS USDT, if I click on the sell order at the first time, I'm going to use buy order as my trailing stop. So this is how you set trailing stop on your Binance features. Make sure you hit the like button. I have a private mentorship group on WhatsApp where I share my trades with my students. You can see over 237 members. In this video, you have just learned how to set a trailing stop. So I have a private mentorship group. You can see the results here. I share my trades in the private group every single day, about 2 to 3 signals, so that everyone can participate and we all make money together. So if you want to make money online with your smartphone, make sure you join the private mentorship group by clicking the first link in the video description, so that you can join my Telegram group and text me. The cost to join the private mentorship group is $30 for 1 month. You can also start making money with your smartphone. So this is how you set a trailing stop. If you have questions, you can just comment down below, or better still, just click the first link to join the Telegram group. Make sure you follow the instructions that I've just given to you, so that you'll be able to start setting trailing stop on your trades on Binance features in 2023.